So, ladies, you have to stop allowing men to use this tactic of strong and wrong to play you. Strong and wrong is like, no, I didn't give you that STD. You gave me that STD. And then knowing that there's no way on God's green earth that you gave him the STD, you think to yourself, did I give him that STD? This is a tactic meant to take you away from what you deserve to be feeling or thinking at the moment, and to buy him time to come up with a good lie, which there probably really isn't a good lie, but you know, come up with something. You can't let these men make you think that you crazy, and you can't allow them to get away with thinking that that was going to work. Call him out on the spot. Also, you think I'm stupid. It doesn't matter what the situation is, whether somebody cheated, lied, whatever. Do not allow a man to get away with strong and wrong. If he's wrong, he's wrong, and that's it. End of discussion. Be a man about it. Just be a man about it and fess up and say, yeah, I did it. I mean, she already know anyway, so it's not. Why lie? Make sure y'all go out and get the new book, The One, A Single Lady's Guide. This book will change your life, and it will do amazing things for the fellas as well. Follow me everywhere. Dream forward. Until next time, everybody. Hotep.